What is it? Oh. Prince! Come on, beautiful boy. Come on. Come on, Prince. Good boy. Who's a good boy? You're not a pet parrot, but who cares? It's okay. Just move on, I can see you better. This is Prince, a wild king parrot, the place where I go to, and oh my gosh, he is so friendly. Just look at him. Right now, he's eating oats on my hand. Isn't he beautiful? He's a good boy. I tell you, I was in Dingles' enclosure before, and he was just right above my head on the fence. I thought it was a white-winged chop at first. And I'm like, oh, it's a king parrot. And I'm like, is that you, Prince? I think I knew it was Prince straight away because of how tame he was. And I've been trying so hard to get this on film, but he hasn't been coming around much. So this is a very lucky opportunity to finally get him on film. Say hello to the people of YouTube, Prince. He's more interested in having a feed. This is awesome. I'm not kidding, the cheeky boy actually followed. He actually followed me into there when he saw me getting the oats. So as you guys probably know, I've already filmed king parrots before. Well, this one is definitely a male. Only the males have these beautiful red and green colorings. Look at the patch of blue in the neck. Very beautiful bird he is. He's very friendly too, which is a surprise because he's a wild bird. He's just having a nice feast. Let's see if I can sit down with him. Near the kangaroo. It's okay. Prince! Come on, boy. It's okay. Prince! Come on! Prince! Come on! Prince! Prince! Here he comes. Here he comes again. Prince! Prince! Come on! I'm just sitting down. It's okay. Prince! Prince! What? Prince! Prince! Would you rather me stand up? Okay then. Come on, Princey. Thank you, Prince. Let's see if we can get a better view. Can you see him? There he is. I don't know what that noise is, but I honestly don't care. Prince! Pretty boy? Okay, I think I might end this footage now and let Prince have his food. But anyway, that's Prince, the Australian king parrot.